Today I like to discuss top AWS services for developer. This AWS services that is transform my career. This AWS service is the core fundamental things for build, skill, and security application in the cloud. So years ago, I struggled from where I should start at the cloud computing. I try to learn everything, but AWS have more than 200 services. Very difficult to learn everything, and also the master everything. So this six services I try to start scratching and master for this is very important for any IT professional. So first, I learned to I want to talk with the Amazon EC2 instance. Is basically the elastic computing services which help the application running and service in the cloud. This is compute power. It has a flexible server configuration and scaling. So first you need to learn very well on EC2 instance. Second services you should learn very well is storage. This is Amazon S3, a simple service storage, storage. And this is basically the object store ideal for storing your data, backup, picture, and everything. It's easy to access store object within a minimal. You don't need to manage. Third services I like to recommend. IAM Identity Center is very important. It's actually the manage user access and permission to the AWS service securely, and it have provided least privilege control who can access general control of who can access what service can in the AWS environment. Third is Lambda. This is basically you can run your code without managing the servers. You only pay what you have, and it's very ideal for event-driven application and microservices. Then then I have to talk with database. So database is very important for any application. Because this is the heart of any application, because if you lose the data, you'll be so. And also the previously we have the database administrator, but now with very small same user same cloud engineer can manage the relational database. So this is managed services setting up, operating, and scaling relational database like MySQL, Postgres. It's automatically you can automatically take the backup and patching, and you don't need to manage. And then VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, which is basically uh, create isolated network within AWS for security application, provide control over IP address, subnet, and route table. Then this is the quick site I want to I want to if you want to masters, you don't need to learn 200 services, because every day every service have new feature, new running everything. We should not. This is the six services you need to be masters before going to other services. First, here is a quick checklist. First, EC2, which is compute power to run the application. S3, reliable scalable storage. VPC, secure isolated network. I am managing access. RDS, this is database without a headache. Okay. Lambda, you can run your code without managing the services. This is the six service you need to be masters. Thank you.